Hello, my name is Dr. Khan, and welcome to this discussion on AI and the future of work. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming industries and job roles worldwide. According to McKinsey, by 2030, activities accounting for up to 30% of hours currently worked across the U.S. economy could be automated, a trend accelerated by generative AI. This shift presents both challenges and opportunities, necessitating a proactive approach to adapt to the evolving landscape. While some jobs may be displaced, new roles are emerging that require advanced technological skills. It's crucial for individuals and organizations to understand these trends and prepare accordingly. Embracing AI can lead to increased productivity and innovation, but it also requires a commitment to continuous learning and adaptation. As we delve into this topic, we'll explore how AI is reshaping the workforce and what steps can be taken to thrive in this new environment. The workforce is evolving due to rapid advancements in AI and digital technology. Organizations are shifting toward remote work, leveraging digital collaboration tools that enhance productivity. According to a 2021 McKinsey report, approximately 20-25% of the workforce in advanced economies could work remotely 3 to 5 days a week without any productivity loss. Companies have recognized the benefits of reduced overhead costs and improved employee satisfaction, leading to increased adoption of hybrid work models. The gig economy is another factor transforming traditional employment. Freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal have seen massive growth, with the global gig economy projected to be worth $455 billion by 2023. AI-driven platforms facilitate matching freelancers with projects, optimizing efficiency for businesses and individuals alike. This shift allows workers greater flexibility, but also raises concerns about job security and benefits. Additionally, AI is reshaping talent acquisition by using predictive analytics to match candidates with jobs based on skill compatibility. Employers must focus on fostering adaptability, ensuring workers are equipped with the necessary technical and soft skills to succeed in a flexible, AI-enhanced labor market. As companies adapt to these changes, they must address challenges such as maintaining company culture in remote settings and ensuring equitable opportunities across diverse work environments. Businesses that effectively integrate AI-driven workforce strategies while prioritizing employee well-being will be better positioned for long-term success. AI and automation are significantly transforming labor markets. According to Gartner, AI will eliminate 1.8 million jobs by 2025, but it will also create 2.3 million new roles, primarily in AI-related fields. Automation is replacing repetitive manual tasks, impacting industries such as manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. However, it is also freeing workers to focus on higher-value tasks that require creativity and problem-solving. Roles in data processing, bookkeeping, and customer service are among those most at risk of being automated. A World Economic Forum report estimates that by 2025, machines will perform more work hours than humans in repetitive tasks. This transition necessitates proactive workforce planning and investment in reskilling initiatives. Despite these disruptions, automation is also generating new employment opportunities. The demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts has surged. Additionally, ethical AI specialists are needed to oversee responsible AI deployment, ensuring systems operate transparently and without bias. To mitigate job displacement, governments and organizations must implement strategies that facilitate career transitions for workers impacted by AI-driven automation. Policies promoting workforce retraining and social safety nets will be crucial in managing these changes equitably. To navigate an AI-driven job market, continuous learning is essential. According to McKinsey, 87% of executives believe they are facing skill gaps in their workforce, necessitating urgent upskilling initiatives. AI literacy, data analysis, and digital skills are now critical for career growth. Companies are investing in corporate training programs, partnering with online learning platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning to help employees acquire new competencies. Some businesses have even created internal AI training academies to ensure their workforce remains competitive. Networking and mentorship programs also play a crucial role in professional development. Industry conferences, AI boot camps, and collaboration with thought leaders help individuals stay updated with emerging trends. Government support for workforce transformation is equally important. Incentives for businesses that invest in employee training, along with accessible reskilling programs, will help ensure an inclusive transition into the AI-driven economy. By fostering a culture of continuous learning, both individuals and organizations can future-proof themselves against technological disruptions. While AI is automating traditional roles, it is also creating new employment opportunities. The demand for AI-related jobs has surged, with Gartner reporting a 74% annual increase in AI-related hiring over the last 4 years. Key AI-driven roles include AI engineers, data scientists, and AI ethics specialists, all of which require specialized expertise. AI engineers design and implement machine learning models, while AI ethics specialists ensure AI is deployed responsibly, mitigating issues such as bias and fairness. Additionally, data scientists play a crucial role in interpreting AI-generated insights, allowing businesses to make informed decisions. User experience, UX designers, focused on AI-driven interfaces are also in demand. As AI tools become integrated into daily life, ensuring intuitive and human-centric design is essential. Organizations must prioritize interdisciplinary skills, blending technical knowledge with creativity and ethics to maximize AI's potential. Future AI-powered jobs will not only be limited to tech-centric roles. AI is enhancing various fields, including healthcare, law, and finance. Professionals who embrace AI tools to augment their expertise will find themselves well-positioned in an evolving job market. AI's integration into business and society brings ethical challenges that must be addressed proactively. Bias in AI systems is a growing concern, as training data can perpetuate discrimination. A 2021 study by MIT Media Lab found that facial recognition systems exhibited higher error rates for darker-skinned individuals, underscoring the risks of biased AI applications. Transparency in AI decision-making is another key issue. Many AI systems operate as black boxes, making it difficult to interpret how they reach conclusions. By 2026, Gartner predicts that companies prioritizing AI transparency will see a 30% increase in customer trust. Privacy concerns are also paramount. AI systems collect vast amounts of data, raising questions about security and individual rights. Regulatory frameworks such as the EU's GDPR set a precedent for responsible AI governance, ensuring data protection and accountability. To ensure ethical AI adoption, businesses must implement robust AI governance policies, prioritizing fairness, transparency, and accountability. Multi-stakeholder collaboration, including input from policymakers, AI developers, and ethicists, is essential to fostering trust in AI systems. AI is not a replacement for human workers, but a tool that enhances productivity. McKinsey estimates that AI augmentation can increase business productivity by 40% by automating routine tasks, allowing employees to focus on innovation and strategic decision-making. Humans play a critical role in AI training, ensuring that machine learning models are refined and aligned with ethical considerations. AI-powered tools assist professionals in fields such as medicine, law, and finance, enabling them to work more efficiently and accurately. The synergy between AI and human workers fosters innovation. Companies that leverage AI-human collaboration experience, improved efficiency, enhanced decision-making, and greater problem-solving capabilities. The key to success lies in balancing AI automation with human creativity and oversight. Organizations must develop strategies to facilitate seamless human AI collaboration, emphasizing skill development and AI literacy to ensure workers remain relevant in a rapidly changing technological landscape. AI also enables new forms of teamwork. Virtual assistants, chatbots, and AI-driven analytics help employees optimize workflow, manage time effectively, and automate repetitive tasks. Industries such as customer service, research, and content creation benefit significantly from AI-enhanced collaboration, making it a fundamental component of the modern workplace. Education systems must evolve to equip students and professionals with the skills necessary for an AI-driven world. The traditional educational model, which emphasizes rote memorization, is becoming obsolete in favor of learning models that prioritize critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability. According to McKinsey, 60% of all jobs will require medium to advanced digital skills by 2030, necessitating a shift in curricula worldwide. AI-powered learning tools are revolutionizing education. Adaptive learning platforms use AI to personalize lessons based on a student's progress and needs, enhancing engagement and retention. Real-time feedback mechanisms allow students to learn more efficiently, tailoring coursework to their strengths and weaknesses. Moreover, collaboration between academia and industry is vital. Universities and corporations must form partnerships to create specialized AI training programs, internships, and certification courses. This will help bridge the skills gap and ensure that graduates are workforce ready. In addition to technical skills, soft skills such as creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence will be essential. AI may handle analytical and data-driven tasks, but human traits like empathy, negotiation, and ethical decision-making will remain invaluable. Lifelong learning will be critical, with professionals needing to continuously update their knowledge through online courses, workshops, and industry certifications. Educational institutions must also integrate AI ethics and governance courses into their curricula. Understanding how AI impacts society, employment, and privacy is essential for preparing future generations for responsible AI deployment. As AI adoption accelerates, individuals, businesses, and governments must proactively prepare for the transformation it brings. AI will redefine job roles, automate processes, and create new industries, making adaptability a crucial trait for success. The World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report states that by 2025, nearly half of all workers will need reskilling to stay relevant in the job market. For individuals, understanding AI concepts, programming, and data analysis will be key to navigating the evolving economy. Digital literacy will no longer be optional, but a necessity. Upskilling programs, industry-recognized certifications, and AI-focused boot camps will provide career advantages in an AI-driven world. Businesses must rethink workforce strategies, ensuring employees are equipped with the skills to work alongside AI. Investing in AI-driven training programs and fostering a culture of continuous learning will be essential. Additionally, companies should integrate AI ethically, prioritizing transparency and fairness in automated decision-making processes. Governments play a pivotal role in shaping an AI-driven economy by implementing policies that support reskilling and job transition programs. Tax incentives for companies investing in AI education, grants for displaced workers, and AI ethics regulations will be necessary to ensure an inclusive and equitable transition. Collaboration among stakeholders, including governments, corporations, educational institutions, and workers, will be fundamental in shaping a sustainable AI-driven economy that benefits society as a whole. The role of policymakers is crucial in ensuring AI-driven economic transitions do not disproportionately affect marginalized communities. Public-private partnerships should focus on developing policies that provide employment support, AI training programs, and ethical AI regulations that promote workforce diversity. AI has the potential to be a transformative force for good, revolutionizing industries, enhancing productivity, and improving quality of life. AI-driven innovations in healthcare, finance, education, and logistics are streamlining processes and improving outcomes. For example, AI-powered diagnostics are enabling early disease detection, while AI-driven financial models are optimizing investment strategies with greater accuracy. However, AI's benefits must be harnessed responsibly. Companies must adopt ethical AI frameworks to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI applications. Addressing concerns such as data privacy, security, and bias will be essential in building public trust in AI technologies. Innovation and creativity will flourish in an AI-augmented world. With AI handling repetitive and time-consuming tasks, individuals will have more freedom to focus on higher-level strategic thinking, research, and development. This will lead to breakthroughs in science, medicine, and technology that were previously unimaginable. Businesses and governments must work together to create opportunities that maximize AI's potential while mitigating risks. By focusing on workforce readiness, regulatory policies, and ethical AI adoption, society can fully embrace AI's opportunities and build a future where technology empowers rather than displaces human potential. Organizations that successfully integrate AI with human expertise will gain a competitive edge in the global economy. Companies that proactively implement AI training, ethical AI policies, and workforce transition plans will be better positioned for long-term success. To summarize, the rise of AI and automation is reshaping the future of work, education, and the global economy. While AI-driven automation may disrupt certain job roles, it is also creating new opportunities, requiring workers to adapt and reskill. The gig economy, remote work, and AI-powered jobs will become increasingly prevalent, demanding a workforce that is both flexible and technologically literate. Education systems must adapt to provide students with the skills needed in an AI-driven world, emphasizing both technical and soft skills. Governments, businesses, and individuals must invest in lifelong learning, ensuring a smooth transition into the AI economy. Ethical considerations, including AI bias, transparency, and data privacy, must also be addressed to ensure responsible AI adoption. Embracing AI's opportunities while managing its challenges will be critical to shaping a prosperous and equitable future. By fostering human-AI collaboration, prioritizing skill development, and implementing responsible AI policies, societies can create a future where AI empowers individuals and enhances productivity without displacing human ingenuity. Thank you for participating in this training video. I appreciate your time and engagement, and I look forward to seeing you in our upcoming sessions.